Hi, this is Ron LeGrand, and on this short video you're going to learn what does it cost to generate leads. Now, of course, in order for me to answer that question, we've got to figure out what are you going to do to generate leads and what will that cost. My favorite way is mailing out yellow letters. A yellow letter costs about $1.39 to mail out to homeowners with houses for sale, and I'm going to get a certain percentage of those to call me back, and a certain percentage of those is going to have a house for sale. The truth is, it doesn't really make any difference what it costs because I'm going to buy houses from those mailings, and those are worth thousands of dollars to me. So you could say that from a lead selling business perspective, it costs me nothing to generate leads because I've already got to do it for my house buying business. There are a lot of ways that I can generate leads for free, however. Many of them are web located. For example, Craigslist. It costs you nothing to go on Craigslist and generate leads. So I would rather you be in a real estate business, buying and selling houses, and then generating the leads is already a part of your process, so it won't cost you a dime more to generate the leads so that we can start selling those and making money. If you want to learn more about how to sell leads that you generate while you're doing your business of buying and selling houses, just go down below and put in the information, and there's 20 videos that pertain to 20 different questions that customers have presented me to answer.